But some people like to say they've had this chest here for a long time and it was a real kind of a dark red color, and they're tired of that red color. They may have something refinished just so they could change it to a lighter brown like this is now. And that's some of the things that some of the reasons why people have stuff refinished. But this is also a mahogany, so these pores have had to be wood filled, and it's a wood pore filler, which you only have to wood fill the pores if it's mahogany or walnut or oak or anything like that has the pores. Maple and cherry don't have the pores, so you don't have to wood fill them. And then this is stained and wood filled now, so the pores are full. So this is ready for your sealers to go in the finishing room and be sealed.